Greetings, comrades. Bobcat here in the art mines. And look at these!
Look at these little guys! Look at them! They're so cute!
I think that is spinach, and I think that is Chinese cabbage. If it's not, then this is spinach and this is Chinese cabbage. I forget. But I got a row of this, alternate row of the same, and as an experiment, in untreated soil here and here. And here we've got purple corn, or blue corn that's growing up. And then these are beans and pumpkin. I think it's snap peas and cheese pumpkin. So this is treated soil with organic leaf grow compost type stuff. And this is the same cheese pumpkins and snap peas, but with just regular topsoil. I just wanted to see if they'd grow differently. But the flowers we planted are coming back. This is all black-eyed Susan, I think, up front. Let's see here. Yeah, so this is a variety of black-eyed Susan. This is, what the hell are you? Bee balm. More of these local wildflowers, mid-Atlantic wildflowers. All of a sudden I forget the name of these little purple guys, but they come up every year. I have no idea what that is. So, but we're just gonna let that grow. And these are, I think these are called snowdrops. So they're growing up real nicely. And then along the driveway, all of these flowers that we've planted, most of them seem to have survived, strangely enough. I think this is called beard tongue. This is purple knockout salvia. This is ruby star echinacea. And one cool thing about the purple knockout salvia is that it's self-seeding. So not only did what we plant last year, some of it seems to be coming back, but now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, a dozen new plants that are growing up exactly how we'd hoped. But all of these little purple leafed guys, so that guy, these, all of these are from these plants here. So they're all coming back. And then we've got phlox. I think this is called phlox coming back. Coneflowers. Some of these are violets. I'm really not sure what a lot of these are, but we planted a whole bunch of violet seeds here. Blueberries. More phlox. I don't think that blueberry survived at all. The pear tree has blossomed. The blossoms are falling off, but it looks like, I don't know how well you can see that, but it looks like some of these pears have set. And oh, these are delicious pears. These are so good. I weep for their flavor. So hopefully we'll get a shed load of pears this year. And on the deck, the Chicago hardy figs seem to have survived. So they're coming back. I'm gonna help the soil out a bit for both of these. So these are Chicago hardy figs. The persimmon seems to be doing okay. This branch may have died, but got a lot of leaf buds and flower buds that are about to just pop out. That's a bummer about these, but I'll cut those off. And then even this fig, walking through your spider webs. Even this fig, we didn't cut this fig back hard enough last year, so this year we chopped the crap out of it. And lovely little fig twigs coming back. We'll see how much of this actually survives. It's a little early. For some reason, we had like 90-degree day almost, and then back to, it's going to be almost freezing tonight. I don't like it. But it seems like, supposedly, a lot of our garden plants have survived and are coming back. And I'm terribly excited about that. just wanted to give you that quick update. Hope you are safe and well fed wherever you are. I wish you mucho amor. Please use compost and organic fertilizer. We have enough chemicals in our water supplies as they are. Thanks, and we'll see you in the garden.